We got Hannah here. Beauty eyes Hannah, right? Look at those eyes. Say hello, Hannah. Okay, time to clean Hannah's ears. We got these little medicated doodads. We took her to the vet, and the vet said Hannah's ears are the best I've ever seen. Right hand? Right, Hannah? This is Hannah. I say, right hand, is that right? She says, no, that's left. Well, let's get this one. Gotta do this. Basset ears. See the basset ear right there? See that? Got some, you get this much with these little doodads. Right hand? Hey. Yeah, you like that, I know. I know, see? Well, Pink, she plays with cats for almost a year now. Well, she's 9 months old, just about. But anyway, we got 3 cats, and boy, they fight and all that. Well, they play. But she's never been scratched. There's no scratch marks on the ears. Perfect ears. Look at those. Just come close up with that. Right there, and that perfect ear. And Hannah's just sitting there. We do got to get a Q-tip, though, to get deep in there. But so we do that. Let's check this other one. Yeah, you go ahead? What do you think? What do you think? I got one more. Let's do Hannah with one more. Oh, there, I felt that squirt all over me. Here, sit. Let's be good, okay? And Hannah's got the nice GPS on her, too. Where is it? Oh, I got it off being charged. Okay. Come on, let me just double check with everything now. Beauty ear. Look at that. Not a scratch. Pink all over the place. Let me get Wayne. I know. Oh, my head's in there. Here. One more hand, okay? Look at this. Look at, oh, there's a little bit of stuff there. I see. What's that? There's a little bit. Yeah, I know. Uh-oh, there's another spot. Look at that. You got to get it, hand. What? Oh, look at this. What, you want to play? What? Hey, now it's time to play, huh? Okay, that's it for Hannah, I guess.